Hello, everybody. Welcome to the 8 weeks of Halloween, week 3. You guys are going to get week 3 and 4 this week because I never got my video up last week. And so you'll get both weeks this week. This is a super cute container. I picked this up at the dollar store. Can you believe that this was a dollar store item? It is glass. So this part is glass. It's a little jack-o'-lantern. There's lots of different things that you could do for this. I actually love it just for decor, but you could get one of those flameless candles and put it in here, and you could set these out on your porch. You could, I've seen people melt wax and put it in here and make their own candle, so then it's an actual candle. I picked these up because I wanted to do something for the office staff, so the 2 gals that are in the elementary school office, and then our principal. I'll do something different for the teachers, but I thought this would be fun. And what I'm gonna do is just put candy in them. So I wanted to show you how I'm gonna add a little something to this. I'm going to use this stamp set right here, and this coordinates with a punch, and let me just find it. I have punches and stamps everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Okay, it's right here. It coordinates with this punch, so we're going to use both. So we have this part of it, and this is going to be really simple. All I did is I grabbed some purple ribbon that I had on hand. This is a Blackberry Bliss ribbon from several years ago. So this, you guys know that I love ribbon. I hang on to it. I don't get rid of it just because it retires. I think that is silliness to get rid of, especially ribbon. We still have this color. Like, we still have Blackberry Bliss. So why in the world would I get rid of a ribbon that we still have the color of? So unfortunately, you can't get this in the catalog, but you may still have it. Like, you may still have it on hand. So all I'm doing is I cut some off, and I'm gonna tie a couple bows on here. This is gonna be the easiest, simplest project you've ever seen. So I'm just tying really tight, and then I have some old black ribbon because, you guys, I just love the ribbon. My ribbon drawer is a little bit of a mess right now, and I'm in the process of taking photos in my craft room because I did film a craft room studio final video. And so I'm in the process of cleaning up some spaces, like not reorganizing them, but just basically cleaning them up and putting things away. And my ribbon drawer is one of those spaces because it's a mess. So now I'm just trimming these. Maybe I need to do like a come clean with me kind of video and show you guys my ribbon drawer and clean it up with you. Like, film it. Maybe that would be fun. Okay, and then we'll trim this one. Now I have a little trick for you, but as I always say when I show you guys this trick, if you're under the age of 18, please get permission before you do this. Do not burn your house down. Do not try to sue me. Be responsible. All of that jazz. I am not responsible for anything that happens when you do this. Okay, so I've trimmed these down, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the lighter and I'm just gonna melt the ends. And when I did the, see, just like that, it caught on fire. I was gonna say, when I did the other two, I'm gonna show you, my ribbon caught on fire. You just want to melt the ends and then they won't fray. It really doesn't take that much. Okay, so now we have that, and we're literally almost done. So now we're going to take some black cardstock, and I just have a scrap here from another project I'm working on. And we're going to take this stamp, and it says trick or treat, and then we're going to take Versamark. And we're gonna stamp on here. And then we're gonna dip it in white embossing powder. And you just wanna get good coverage. Tap that off. Okay. I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to take my heat tool. I'm going to let it heat up so that when I go to melt this, it's already hot enough and I don't have to leave it on my project a long time. And that should do it. And then what I'm going to do is take my punch, punch this out. Fits perfectly. I love it. I didn't have to color anything. Then I'm going to take, this is just a little stabby tool I have. It's actually from Concord and Ninth, and I love it. And then I'm going to take some other twine I have. I think this was from last year. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to loop it on right here. There's this, the way it is put together. This is just the cutest thing. I mean, I never would have thought I would have paid $1 for this. Okay, so then I will tie this on here with a bow. I will put candy in this and I will give them this and a card and candy. And then I also always make cookies. So I'll make sugar cookies for everybody in the office, and then they'll have their candy and the cookies and the card. And so I did 3 of these. They all look the same. I used the exact same stamp. I did the exact same ribbon. And these just came out so cute. And I love it. So make sure you check out the dollar store. I am loving the finds that I am picking up at the dollar store to repurpose. I have a couple more coming up for the 8 weeks of Halloween, and I'm positive that I'll probably have some for the Christmas, 8 weeks of Christmas that will start directly after 8 weeks of Halloween ends, right on Halloween. So thank you guys so much. Make sure you check out my other video for 8 weeks of Halloween, week 3. This will be either week 3 or 4. I'm not sure. It all depends on how I edit the video. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys later.